Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang latest performance ng asap natin to, The Champions Showdown. Ano kayang kakantahin nila dito? Kasi it's a Mother Day edition, should I say, or it's a Mother Day today. So, for sure, about nanay ito, at sana hindi tayo umiyak for today's video. So, without further ado, let's all watch this. Jed Madela. Wow. Wow. Ay, wow. Okay. English. Hindi ako familiar sa kanta. Grabe si Jed. Ay, grabe si Jed. Okay. Jed, Jason. The control though. Grabe si Jonah! Taray ni Jonah! Oh my God! Jonah, totoo? Grabe si Jonah, no? Parang ibon. Laban na ng harmonization, ha? Wow, lumalabas ang boses si Jonah, dear. Grabe si Jonah. Okay. Ay, oh my God, Bridge Over Troubled Water. Talaga ba? Wow. Wow. Oh, sakit. Oh, JM. Wow. And she sustained that.
When you're down and out, when you're on the streets, when evening falls so hard, I won't cover you.
Okay. Raven. Soyang version na may twist. Ah! Bongga! Grabe si Jed! Okay, emotion from Jason. Ang timbre talaga ni Bugoy, iba talaga yung timbre ng boses niya. Raven. Kim. Oh? Wow. I didn't see it coming. Ay! Ituloy natin, ituloy natin. Wow. See. Seriously? Wow. Ito na, mga girls na. Mariel. Oh! Wow. Ay, wow. Emotions. Laika. Yeah, I know this song. Kinanta to ni Mariel. Oh, nice. Oh, I know this song. Kinanta to ni Mariel. Ay, wow. Wow. Pag si Jonah, alam mo, natutulala ako. Sa totoo lang. Wow. Ganda ng harmonization nila. Oh my God. Wow. Bongga. Bongga. I love it. I love it. Bongga. There you go guys. That is our for today's video. Naasap natin to. Champions Showdown. Bongga, natulala talaga ako. Ang galing mo lang. Ang ganda ng harmonization nila. Sa totoo lang, kahit ang taas-taas na, pero pantay-pantay pa din yung boses nila. Alam mo yun. Pero ang ganda ng introduction pa na ni GM tsaka ni Mariel talaga. And also Kimo and Bugoy. Perfect. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!